anyways, hi kay Chloe who's
Ayan.
here right now. Kasama ang kanya napakagandang tita.
Yes.
Si Tita
Michelle.
Michelle.
Ayan, Tita
and
Michelle.
and ang kanyang pamangkin na napaka-talented.
Oo.
Na I believe has something to promote.
Ayan.
Oo, di ba?
May play ata sila.
May theater.
Oo.
Come here.
Maybe can you tell us about ano?
Oo, ikaw na ang mag-promote. Total naman, makapal ang mukha mo kasi nasa teatro ka. Di ba? Walang nasa teatro mahiyain,
Oo,
ha?
totoo.
Walang teatro nasa
Oo,
mahiyain. Yan ang sinasabi ko lagi kay Princess. Correct. Number 1 requirement, makapal ang
Oo.
mukha. Hindi mahiyain.
Kasi sisigawan ka ng mga ano dyan yung mga
Oo.
director eh.
Hindi, tsaka Jegs, hindi katulad ng film na pwede kang mag-repeat.
Mhm.
'Di ba? Kung halimbawa hindi maganda yung acting mo sa
Oo.
theater,
Ayan.
matindihan, magkamali ka man, the show must go on.
Tama.
Sige dear, introduce yourself first. Come here.
Hi, I'm Amber and I play as Twinkle in Hapow the Musical.
So can you tell us about yung play ninyo?
Hapow is an original Filipino musical and it has won a few awards like Best Musical, Best Ensemble, Best Costume, or Best Theater or Musical for young audiences, etc., etc. Hapow is an acronym and it stands for Humility, Acceptance, Patience, Honesty, Open-mindedness, and Willingness. And it also teaches us to care for our Mother Earth.
Wow. Oh, kailan mangyayari yan?
Hindi
February,
na
Hihirapan ako may English.
hindi na po kinaya ni Diego Bandido.
Kailan mangyayari?
Hindi na po niya kinaya.
English eh.
Hindi niya kinaya.
Dumudugo na.
Biglang kailan.
When?
Sinabihan ka na ng acronym. Wow. Okay, game dear.
the show is on February 24 at Maybank Performing Arts Theater.
Wow. What time would what time?
Okay, take 2.
Take 2. Anong oras? Anong oras, girl? Anong oras?
Around morning and afternoon.
2 shows.
So, 2 shows siya.
2 shows per day. It's just one day? Only on one, ano?
We're gonna go on a tour nationwide.
Ay,
po.
wow.
In schools.
Okay, so Feb 24 is the one in Maybank. It's a
Yes,
one-day,
One day.
it's a one-day
One-day
perform, one-day event, one-day performance. 2 shows, morning and the afternoon. And then,
Yes, po.
magkakaroon kayo ng school tour. Do you already have different schedules or? None yet.
We have no confirmed dates yet.
Okay. So what to watch out for is February 24.
What about sa tickets?
Yan, oh.
Tickets, we're gonna post it on social media po. We're gonna post the website and you can buy the tickets there.
Do you have any Facebook page?
Ano yung follow nila?
Hapow the Musical.
Hapow the Musical. Yarn.
Okay.
Oh, is there anything else you want to say? Shout out to your coaches.
Shout out to your director, of
your
course.
director.
Shout out to the director. Hi. And also shout out to my mom who's probably listening right now.
Yan. Yay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ang mommy mo ba ay theater actress din?
No, she's a flight attendant.
She's a
FA.
flight attendant.
Uh-huh.
Diba? But is she in the Philippines right now?
Yes, she's listening.
Yay. Thank you so much. How old are you, dear?
I'm 11 years old.
11 years. Oh, ikaw, anong ginagawa mo na 11? Parang naramdaman.
Nasa ilalim ako ng silong.
Ako, naglalaro ng luksong tinik. Nagpapakita ng pante. Charas. Sa mga kalaro. Yay. Oh, congratulations. Is this your first play?
Yes, this is my first musical.
First musical. Would you like to sing some portions? Some favorite lines? Come here.
We don't want any trouble. Why don't we all be friends? It's more fun that way.
That's so amazing!
It's so amazing.
Ang cute!
Dara. Lumang-luma to.
Sorry na, luma yung reference namin. Wow, you're so good. Oh, we wish you good luck and God bless. And may this be the first of many, many other roles that you will play in the future.
And hopefully in the future, you won't forget us. Pag medyo kilala ka na, sikat ka na.
Correct. Diba? You will not forget your Tita Nicole Yala and Tito Diego Bandido who first featured you in your first ever musical.
You know what? Your Tita Nicole goes in theater as well.
Oh my gosh! Parang di ko yan. Uy, nag-resegon yan si Tita. the heat is on in Saigon.
You're here. It's true. It is as I was told. May Saigon ka.
Halo-halo na. On my own, pretending he's beside me. Have you watched Les Miserables?
Hindi ko nga na, wala na ubusin akong ticket, wala na sponsor eh.
Ano nangyari? Ano
Naguluhan
nangyari
na
kay
siya.
Chloe? Naguluhan kami kay Chloe.
Naguluhan siya, sira ulo pala tayo makausap ko.
Sorry,
Napunta
dear,
ka
ha?
sa Love Radio
Napunta ka sa Love Radio. Dito
Aha.
mo pinili mag-promote. We are, paano ba sabihin yung yung baliw?
Crazy?
We are
Crazy.
crazy.
Oh, silly.
But of course, I'm sure you can relate kasi yung mga people in theater,
Yeah.
Yes.
diba, are very crazy and creative.
Yeah.
Yan yun.
We have a PhD.
In craziness.
Yeah. Permanent head damage. That's a PhD.
But thank you and good luck. Oy, huwag kang maingay. Sabi ng asawa ko, aktivista yan, hindi yan teatro. Huwag
Sinira mo.
kang gulo. Yung asawa ko di ba? But thank you and good luck. Again, Feb 24, Maybank Performing Arts Theater.
Haphaw.
Haphaw. More details sa kanilang social media
Yeah,
pages.
check it out.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Kung
Kung Siningkwala. Bung chekek. Kek. Ayan. Di ba nakakatuwa yung mga bata na bata pa lang alam na nila yung gusto nila. Ano
Oo.
ito, when you were a kid, you already knew that you wanted to go to theater? Ay, commercial. Oh, wag ka. May
Oo.
commercial ka?
Commercial.
Oh, come here. Oh, tell us more.
I've done Ayala Corporation, Kia, McDonald's, Jollibee, Sony PH, SM Kids, Reynolds, Wholesome Philippines, Aboitiz, Magnolia, Selecta, Bear Brand, Going Bulilit, Can't Buy Me Love, upcoming movie, IKEA, etc. etc.
Alam mo, dapat
Alam mo.
kaibiganin natin tong nanay nito.
Yun na nga. Yun nga yung sasabihin ko.
Michelle, pakilala mo kami sa nanay niya.
Yun yung sasabihin ko, bata pa lang may mga ganun na. Beka naman. Charot. You've done a lot. So, how to apply? Ano how to apply? Ito na, anong English? Anong na-applyan mo? Boy Pindot? Boy P. Sino to? Papa P. Oh. How to apply as what? As the PA of...
Ay,
galing naman. So, when did you start doing commercials?
3.5 years old.
Ayun.
3.5 years old.
3.5.
11, kasan tayo nun?
Wala.
Akong sa ilalim talaga ako nagsilong noon
Hindi
eh.
ganito na lang jigs eh. Ilan taon
Namumulot
na siya?
ako ng barya na
Tingnan mo.
nahuhulog eh.
Hindi, wag na yung 11 years old kay. Ngayon 40 ano ka na?
Ganun pa rin.
Ano na? Ano na mga na-accomplish mo, friend? That's good, but paano ba yung English ng How do you balance all these with your studies?
Yeah.
My mom controls this po as my mom made me do online school.
Oh, online.
Okay.
Galing. Homeschooling as well?
Before I used to.
Galing. Alam mo, astig talaga yung mga homeschooling eh.
What's the latest Gen Alpha terminology right
That
now
you can teach
share?
us.
Oh, so far right now.
I know fine shite. You know that? You know fine
Yeah.
shite.
Oh.
Alam mo yun, hindi mo alam.
Fine shite?
Fine shite.
Fine shite means like a fine woman or
Man.
some man that you've seen. Like, oh, that girl is so fine.
Yes.
Oh, fine shit.
So ano pala
Borta.
siya? Oo. It's both men and women pala.
Yeah, okay.
Naririnig ko kasi siya sa anak kong babae. So parang feeling ko. At saka yung fina-fine shite niya kasi mga lalaki. So akala ko it's only for boys.
For
So
both, ano.
both pala. Fine shite. Oh, what else? One more term. Skibidi is luma na, di ba?
Oh,
Oo.
Yeah.
it's ancient.
Ancient. It's dinosaur era. Wow. Ano ba yung mga sinasabi ng anak ko?
6'7".
6'7" is old. That's
It's
so
old na.
2025. Alam mo, wag nating i-pressure tong batang to.
Oo.
Kasi, ang dami yan ang iniisip. Iisipin niya pa ba daw yung Gen
Kaya
Alpha
nga.
terms? Diba?
Kaya nga.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you to you and good luck sa iyong show and sa iyong bongacious na school tour.
And God bless you always.
Yes!
Don't forget us, ha?
Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck sa show. Good luck sa show. And God bless. Yay. Ayan.
Wala, ang cute niya. Dami na niyang nagawa.
Mga artista na nga yan eh.
Oh, artista
May
na
movie
nga
eh.
yan
May movie
eh.
na siya eh.
Oh, diba? Tayo, hanggang ngayon. Ako hanggang ngayon, maarte lang.
Oh, pero ikaw may 3 album ka rin.
Huwag ka
din eh.
magulo, baka pakantahin nila ako eh. Chares! Nakakaloka! O siya, salamat na marami mga kabisyo sa pagtutok sa amin ngayong oras na ito. And supportahan po natin yung mga gawa ng mga Pilipino. 'Di ba? Kung in the same way na kapag merong mga musicals na dumadating dito sa Pilipinas tapos nasa-sold out agad, 'di ba? Sana po yung mga gawang Pinoy bigyan naman po natin ng bigyan din po natin ng importansya.
Di ba fan ka ng mga musical?
Yes, hindi
Yung
nga
asawa mo.
ha? Tulog siya pagka may bilihan ng ticket ng musical. Merong ganun eh. Kaming dalawa ng anak ko, we are such big fans of musicals. And kanina nga umaga, pinakita ng anak ko yung may book daw na lumabas ng Dear Evan Hansen. Oo, may book na lumabas ng Dear Evan Hansen. Hindi mo alam yun. Napanood ko yung musical. In fairness, napanood siya ng asawa ko. Nakanood siya, nakakuha ng libreng ticket eh. Ang binili namin ticket, 2 lang kami ng anak ko. Pero for some reason, naka-PR, alam mo naman yon, semi-pokpok din eh. Ay, sorry, may mga bata pala. Ayan, nakakuha ng free ticket. Hala mo, nagulat ako nung pagtingin ko sa kanya sa likod. Iyak nang iyak si kuya. Iyak siya ng iyak. O, di ba? So, maganda talaga yung mga musicals eh. It speaks to your heart. And hopefully, yun nga, supportan po natin yung mga dito sa Pilipinas.
Oo, sa tiyan.
At ang mga artista ay mga Pilipino.
Yes.
Correct. Ganon. Support.
More show sa teatro talaga suportahan natin.
Oo, para manatiling buhay itong industriyang ito.
Yeah.
Ganon. O siya,
Alright.
exit na muna kami for now. Maraming
Okay.
salamat. Mamaya tayo ulit. Kwento na may Wagang Bornay. Bye-bye.
Metro's now